All right, today we're going to be doing a repair on Susan Thompson. Here's the wind crease shingle, wind damage shingle. So first we're going to start off by breaking the seals. Being careful breaking the seals. Okay. Alright, this one's already broke. So we're going to start by removing the shingles, the nails, the first course. Being careful not to lift the shingle up too much, just enough to get the nail head out, as you can see. So, get all those out. Now we're going to have to get the nails out above it. Again, only lifting the shingles up enough to get the nails out. We are getting some pull through here on the nails, unfortunately. Tar sticking to my hands. Take my gloves off after I get this up here. Tar's a little bit hot. All right, so we got that shingle there. So now, we're gonna get this level. We're gonna lift the shingle up just enough to get the hammer flush with the decking. I'm sorry, the hammerhead under here. So we have to lift it up just enough there to clear the hammerhead from hitting the shingle and get the nail flush with the decking. So we have to lift it up minimum this much. Okay, we're going to nail between all these tabs here. Again, get the nail in the nailing zone, lift it up just enough to clear that hammerhead to not damage the shingle, and closely and accurately drive the nail. Same here, nail it to the nailing zone, lifting the shingle up just enough to clear the hammerhead. Let's sink them in. Same here, all the way down the line. Okay, now here it's going to be a little different. This course already has nail holes in it, so we have to go to the previous nail hole. So the previous nail hole is right here. Okay, so I have to lift the shingle up at minimum this much. I got to clear the hammerhead, so safely and accurately drive the nail. Same here. This one's a little bit back farther, so at minimum I have to lift the shingle up that much. There's no way to not do that. Okay, and then we got one last nail here. Two nails actually. One's right here. Again, lifting the shingle up just enough to clear the hammerhead. Same here. On this shingle, this is the last nail. Okay, that is all in. Now what I want to do is, you can see these granulars already came out along here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this to mimic weathering. So here's a control of an area that we did not do. No granulars are coming off. So this will happen once we get the first rain. See the granulars wiping off? That's actually a fail. We have, okay, let's see. Okay, so we actually have 3 shingles here. This is 1, this one's 2, and this one's 3 failed shingles, separate. So we have the granular loss causing the shingle to lose its water shedding capability, marking the shingle as not repairable.